Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. So, are you getting that annoying integrity could not be verified or unable to install app error on your iPhone or iPad whenever you try to install any app, or you are just trying to sideload an IPA but the install just fails? So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix that integrity issue permanently with method that works on all iOS version including latest iOS 26. And I guarantee that you will never face that annoying unable to verify or internet connection error ever in your life if you follow all the steps in this video carefully without skipping any part. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So for that, go to the link given in the description or in the pinned comment and you will get interface like this. It's Flex Store, the best powerful side loading tool available for iOS devices. But here you all might be thinking, why always Flex Store? It's because using this you can install unlimited app on your iOS devices without any revoke or blacklist problem, and if you don't have any certificate then you can also get that from here. And as compared to the other side loaders like Alt Store, Side Store, Sideloadly, which require PC and you cannot install more than 3 apps for more than 7 days, and the other side loaders like ESign Scarlet using free certificate that get revoked after 2 or 3 days, you install them and stop working. But in Flex Store that's not the case. Here you can install unlimited apps without any issues and they will never get revoked once installed. So once you are here, click on get in the top right corner, then you will get interface like this. Now either you can open this in your browser only or add to your home screen. I'll recommend you to add it to your home screen and use it as a web app. For that, just follow the instruction given on the screen, and once added, open that and allow all notifications. After that, you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from here in just one click. But before you try to install apps using Flex Store, you will need to set up it first. For that, go to the devices section and then click on add device. After that, click on allow and open your settings app. There you will get profile downloaded option at the top. Click on that and install that by entering your passcode. Once installed, you will get success page like this. Now open the Flex Store again, and this time in the devices section, you will see your device UDID, certificate and premium accesses option. But here, make sure you are getting green tick in front of certificate and premium, or at least in front of certificate. For that, you will get 3 options under the certificate section. Those options are not visible on my iPad right now because it's just one time process and I already set up it. So let me show you those options on my iPhone instead. So as you can see here, you will get these 3 options. First one is getting developer certificate and premium directly from the Flex Store using your Apple developer account if you have, and third one using your own certificate. But make sure the certificate you are using here is not revoked or expired. And if you don't have any certificate, I'll suggest you to go with the first option, which is getting developer certificate and premium directly from the Flex Store. For that, just select the plan from here, standard or special, and then click on buy now. After that, enter your payment and billing details and make the payment. As soon as the payment is successful, you will get green tick in front of certificate and premium instantly. Once you have green ticks, you are ready to install apps. For that, you will get 3 options here. First one, app library, second, sources, and third, signer. You can install apps using any one of these 3 options, and it is very easy to install apps using these 3 options. Firstly, let's see how to install apps using app library or sources option. For that, just select the app that you want to install. In my case, here I'm installing Delta Executor. Once you select the app, just click on sign now and then wait for the processing to be complete and then click on install. After that, return to your home screen and there you will see the app is installed successfully without any issues and it is working perfectly. No revoke, no blacklist, no unable to verify or any other error. Installing app from the sources option is also same as the app library. For that, just select the source you want to install apps from. After that, select the app that you want to install, then click on sign app and then click on install. After that, return to your home screen and there you will see the app is installed successfully and working perfectly as you can see here. But if you want to install apps using signer option, you must have IPA file of the app that you want to install. Once you have IPA file, just select that IPA file from here. After that, click on sign app and rest steps are same. Wait for the processing to be complete. After that, click on install and return to your home screen and there you will see the app is installed successfully without any issues and it is working perfectly as you can see here. And that's how you can install unlimited apps apps on your iPhone or iPad without any revoke or blacklist problem, and you will never face any issues. Also, if you purchase developer certificate from the link given in the description, you will get 2 months of premium access for free. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, check out, the link is given in the description and in the pinned comment as well. And don't forget to subscribe Region of Tech to join our iTunes family. Also, you can join our Telegram channel for more updates, free certificates and exclusive content. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and share it with someone who might need it. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.